Hi, Mark Leibman here with another episode of Clients. You know what I'm talking about. Today, rolling into retirement. 401k plans usually offer employees the opportunity to set aside money for retirement on a tax-favored basis in a number of different investment options. Sometimes matching money from the employer is in the mix too. Some have likened this financial tool to a near miracle. But the investment options that worked well for a newer employee may feel constricting to the long-term employee who may already have saved hundreds of thousands of dollars. Some plans permit people who are still actively employed to roll over some fraction of their 401k balance, tax-free, to an IRA plan of the employee's choosing. These in-service distributions or in-service rollovers may or may not be permitted by a specific 401k plan. The provision is optional. This is something to ask your employer about. Employees who do these transactions move some fraction of their invested balances and maintain at least a small balance in the plan. Ongoing contributions and employer matching money, if any, still go into the 401k plan. We do not advise clients on this issue one way or the other. There are costs and benefits to any course of action. These must be considered by each person in light of their own circumstances and their goals. Clients, you know what I'm talking about. Stop in and see us at 228main.com, online or on Main.